Life is full of surprises. We never know when we're just going to be innocently eating our dinner and our fridge stops working, or when our washing machine will decide to pack up and go on an extended vacation. Unfortunately, we can't predict when disaster will strike. The good news? We can restore your appliances to their former glory. We're your new allies and experts in appliance repair, equipped with every tool imaginable to put a smile back on your face and a spring back in the step of your appliance. From washing machines to tumble dryers, fridges to microwaves and beyond, our diverse experience and vast knowledge speaks for itself. We offer same-day service should an emergency call our name, and we promise to provide the most reasonable quote in the industry, with no hidden costs or unnecessary extras. Don't beat around the bush. Get straight to the point and get your appliance back into action today.